So here's my grandson inspecting everything out here. Right, Papi? So what car is your favorite car out here?
Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini?
Mm-hmm.
And what wheels should we put on the Lamborghini?
Monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels? How come we're not gonna put a Forza? Don't you like a Forza? What is this?
Tattoo.
A tattoo of what? A Forza! You know, I was telling Davi, because Davi gets frustrated because he wants to work. There's a lot of work. Look, there's a lot of cars, a lot of work. So I got to time everybody. So I don't want Davi to have a stroke, have a heart attack. So I told him, don't worry. We'll bring somebody. This is a very special Ferrari, by the way. Magnum PI days. So I thought of a good friend of mine that his name is Gio, and he knows these cars. So Gio, come here a second. Did you like what I just said?
I think so, yeah.
Gio, why are you wearing a
I
casket?
was taking an engine out. I put more stretch than I was supposed to.
So that's why you're not wearing your watch? Because before I put him on camera, the first thing he says is, oh, I'm not wearing my Rolex, so I can't flex it.
Yeah, that's...
But you have a nice haircut. Can we get a close-up here? Look at this guy.
This is
Look at the lines.
Okay?
Look. Are you Argentinian?
Venezuelan.
Venezuelan. I just wanted to make sure. Listen. I love Gio. So Gio is gonna take this apart so Davi can be happy. And look at Davi's smile now. You should have seen him this morning arguing and upset. But now he's happy again because Gio's here and he's gonna take apart the car. See how easy I resolve problems? Ladies and gentlemen, it's very simple. There's always gonna be problems in life. And I tell all my guys, what did I just tell you, Davi? I don't want problems. Let's find solutions. And the solution is, he's gonna take it apart for you.
Thank you.
And now you're happy. You see? There you go. Let them get to work. So this is a daily issue. You know, I'm not very strict with my guys. I let them be. But this guy in his cell phone, come here. Let's sneak up on him. Go this way. Let's record this one. Papi, suelta el teléfono. Always, listen, every 5 minutes, te voy a hacer coger el teléfono y guardarlo. Sí, lo voy a poner. It's all day.
Bueno, que me acaben los carros.
Oh, now he's saying finish the cars. The other one's complaining.
Ya mira, esto está completo, esto está completo.
¿Y el Ferrari aquel por qué no lo desarmaste tú?
Tú no me mandaste. Yo no sabía.
No, okay, he didn't know. So it's initiative. Look, my son, who runs the company, okay? He runs the company, takes care of customers, takes care of phone calls. What did he do? Took initiative. This guy right here, always working. I bother him, but look, always, look at him. Can we put his hair cut again? Let's put it, Papi, can I put your hair? Let's put it. And he's still sitting down. No hay nada que hacer. Absolutamente nada, you sure? You see what he's saying, that there's nothing to do. Bro, what do you put, oil? ¿Qué es eso, oil? Hairspray? It's not sweat because you're sitting. He wants an answer so he can start taking it apart. Now, listen, the process. He wants to take that apart, yet the Ferrari's not apart. This Ferrari he's gonna take apart. I got a car in the collision center that he has to take apart. What are we doing, Papi? Why are you worried about that if we have that and we have that and we have that? Huh? I'm asking. You don't speak English good looking?
No, for you, no.
He speaks English. He speaks Italian, Spanish, and English. So you know, I got good people here. Vas a desarmar este? Huh?
Yep.
So he's gonna take this whole dash apart right now. Now I got a dash coming apart here, a dash coming apart over there, and hopefully we can get the one in the body shop done. See, we got two grays that were glossy. Now they're matte. We have a good video of this one coming up too soon, right? So we have a good video of this one, the whole process. When this car came in, it had a lot of matte parts, the chrome. Let's not show it too much, let's show the video. And then we got Puerto Rico here. Another one that's always working, nonstop. It's true, Papa, you're always working. These guys are playing with their phones, this guy's always working, always. So he's, him and Juan take care of all the wraps. You know, I noticed because he is Puerto Rican, and don't take it wrong. The watch normally is worn on this arm, right? Is it normal or no?
Not normal.
Why do you wear it there?
So people can notice my watch.
Your phone is ringing in the middle of a video, talking about phones. So, do you believe in that joke that they say that Superman was Puerto Rican? Do you know about that joke?
Nope.
They say that he used to wear his underwears.
On top of his pants.
Ah, so you do know the joke.
Come on, bro.
So why do they say he's Puerto Rican? Why can't he be Cuban? He knew the joke. I'm just saying, listen, I love Puerto Ricans, but he knew the joke. How good is it? When I say that I haven't worked a day in my life, talk about dreams coming through. You have a regular Ford pickup truck. Then you walk around. You got a Ferrari, Land Rover Defender. You got a Rolls Royce. This is very rare. You got a two-door G-Wagon, convertible. It's actually going back to Europe. We got a Lamborghini Urus that we just finished a whole body kit. You did a whole video on that one too, right? So that's coming up. We got another Mercedes G-Wagon with the Forza wheels. Then you walk this way, you got a Lamborghini Aventador, SVJ. And then you got another Range Rover Velar that my son happens to be working on. But just shows you, you walk around, how much money there is in cars, and I'm getting to play with these cars all day.
That's just inside. You have the outside.
And then the guy behind the camera is saying that's just inside. So you know, you want to walk outside? Is that what you want to do? Let's go walk outside. So now we're outside. We got a new Bronco that belongs to my buddy Carlos Boozer, BMW 528. This guy made it like a race car. We're obviously gonna take it all apart, repaint it, do a bunch of other stuff to it. Brand new Range Rover. Another G-Wagon, look at that. That one is, they call it the 4x4 box or something. Something like that. Pretty cool. Jeep, Range Rover, Mustang, Rolls Royce, Phantom. It is like when you pull up and you say, I got it bigger than you. The new Cadillac electric, another G-Wagon. We got a lot of G-Wagons here. This is one of the first, this Jeep I did it in 2013, 2012. That belongs to Alexei Ramirez. Alexei likes little ducks, you see that? All the little ducks. It makes you wonder, a baseball player like Alexei Ramirez is doing with all these ducks. The reason the ducks are there, he gave it to his daughter, which is my goddaughter. He gave it to her, and it's funny, you see a manly Jeep with a bunch of little ducks. So, like you see, there's a lot of nice cars inside, a lot of nice cars outside. You hear the tow trucks beeping, beep, beep. New cars coming in every day. I'm blessed. God is good. I love what I do. Hey, car's leaving. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.